So coming to the coding part, I initially made a plan using Perplexity and other similar tools which currently exist in the market. So my initial plan was to capture a live frame and send it to VLM. For VLM, I'm currently using Llama 3.2, and I'm getting the API from NVIDIA Build. NVIDIA Build offers various APIs for various open source LLMs, and the result generated from the VLM will be stored on ChromaDB in separate columns and well structured. So that the reason why I chose ChromaDB was because it's a local database and it fastens the task, like finding similarity between embeddings like that. So that's the reason why I used ChromaDB. And my targets were to make make things more easier for the user to utilize. Like for example, as I shown you in earlier part of the video, where you can just use the retriever RAG based application to find frames according to your need, so that you don't have to watch all the video or all the frames. So that was my plan, but and also I plan to include uh, agentic tools, but due to time constraint, I and few issues which I faced, I couldn't complete the agentic tools. So I will be continuing this task further. Even if I will as I'm submitting now, but I will complete this task as soon as possible and push the updated code to the repo so that you can try, and also include another video explaining what I did. So here the utils part is uh, the where I define various things like various tools like to collect timestamps and converting images into uh, encoding the images so that we can send it to the VLM directly, and other functions necessary for making the task easier. And the most important thing about this project is, as I couldn't build the agentic tools, I am using a regular expression library for finding the keywords in the summary generated by the VLM. So here the retrieval is the code which I showed earlier as a RAG application which retrieves frame-based data, and the orchestrator is currently I'm working on this as a agentic tool. So the main code is where the main all the functions are combined here to uh, execute the task we planned. So this was my project, and as I said, the project is still incomplete, and I will try to complete it as soon as possible. I mean, what I mean by incomplete is, even though it is functional, I plan to build few more things like 3D drone simulation and also agentic tools. Uh, I was familiar with VLMs and building agentic tools using OpenAI agent SDK, but I wasn't familiar with the VLM's conditions and how it is different from LLMs in utilizing agents. So that's the reason why I couldn't complete that specific task for now, but I will continue working on that. By today evening, I will try to complete it and push the updated code to the repository. Uh, Thank you for your consideration, and hope I get it.